better place for Pollock.
Don't
Go
even think
away.
about eating my lure. Hold on. Okay. He's barely hooked.
Can you vlog?
Ginny Mac.
Just tons of them.
Want to keep it?
Do you want to take it? Or you wait for a big one?
Oh, don't move and take it.
More photo?
Ah, no.
Well done, guys. Brisa is winning.
Not only for a second because...
Now, Brisa is moving to second place.
Put it here in the back.
We're gonna catch more later.
Okay, so release.
Yeah? See you later. Alright guys, here we are. We're gonna use this lure here, handmade by Kuba, and let's see what we can catch in this spot. Hoping for some big pollock. You catch cod here, no? Cod is too close.
No, not very often.
Not very often.
But there should be here. They should be here.
I heard that cod always comes with the schools of pollock. There's always few cod.
Yeah, the thing is that I feel that pollocks are much faster.
Okay. Now I see you.
They are straight doors.
I don't know, was it bite or was it rocks?
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
we are there. They are there.
But you need good conditions. Like, sea is okay.
Wykrakałem.
Fish?
No, rockfish. All right, here's my first pollock. Hopefully. I'm gonna play with him because I have time. And he will probably go back, so. Oh, it's a big one! We have competition here. Double hookup, guys! Brisa, your turn.
I lost.
Hero, oh,
I'm trying this side.
I'm still playing with my fish. Right? Look, seems kind of big, but
It's quiet, this one.
That's the biggest one today, Finn.
he's nice.
Oh,
He likes the pinky stuff. Look at this, guys. Huh? I don't want to unhook him. I want to fight him. There you go, guys.
wow.
Woohoo! And he's gone. Fish on. O kurde, ale walnę daleko. Kuba have a hookup. Yeah, I see him. He's coming up now. Whoa!
That's it.
Another one for me. Fishy, fishy.
Okay, let me move my boat because It
Yeah.
looks like they are only in one spot.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So if we position ourselves just on the top of them, it would be much easier.
What's a fish, boy? Oh, he's on. He's on, boy. Just under the boat.
That's a good pollock, I think.
I think so. He's here, he's here.
No.
Nice.
One, no?
Yeah. Oh, he's gone. So not bad. Nice one. Ło, ale przywalił.
See, that's the problem with them. They are all the same size,
Yeah.
which is small.
Lovely fish.
No patrzaj, no.
Splash.
Do you want to go for big ones? Let's give it a try. It's not very far from here.
I don't know, it's up to you. It's kind of foggy. Which way?
Towards the shore.
Oh yeah, towards the shore, why not?
Okay?
Good.
I think that we might be in need to start moving towards the shore. The fog is getting so dense.
Yeah, we go, no problem. I don't mind.
Maybe it's difficult on the water then.
Yeah, we better go, yeah, just to be safe. We can stop in front of harbor or something.
Yeah, something like this, but
We don't
I'm
want.
just getting a bit afraid that, you know,
Yeah,
we'll
you're
still
the
be able to come back on GPS. But I've done it once.
No,
or twice,
let's go.
and I
I
made
rather
mistake.
be safe than sorry.
Because it's
getting more
worse and
density,
worse.
yeah.
We made it back, guys, out of the fog. Great skipper. Better without GPS. Woo! I think it's this way. No, it's that way. I think it's that way.